to grow defenses for health. Remove fear with breath. Take air all you can. Hold on for 5 seconds. Take more air. Hold on for 5 seconds. Take more again. Hold on for 5 seconds. Expel all air. Hold on for 5 seconds. Expel more. Hold on for 5 seconds. Expel again. Hold on for 5 seconds. Repeat all about 2 or 3 times. You can check that it works. With full lungs, think what worries you and you will see that you are calm. Types of fears. Good fear. The one that protects, for example, caution at vehicle speed. Bad fear. It is exaggerated fear. It is panic. It prevents thinking the right thing. It damages health, reduces defenses, it makes breathing difficult, tension may rise too high. Other ways to remove fear. Think of the now without judging it, as if you were in a movie. Think of something else. Nice memory, look out the window, read. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move, walk, dance, stretch. Crush some unbreakable object, release tension. Wash your face with cold water. Hug yourself, feel loved. Use humor, laugh at yourself. Forgive yourself and others, not worth hating. Play, board game, hide and seek. Talk to someone about the topic, about other topics. Eat well, fruits. Look at nature, pet, plants. Repeat words that help. There is hope, there is hope, there is hope. Oh, you love me, you love me, you love me, you love me. Look for positive information. Also, it's good to have faith, meditation. We all have the capacity to calm down. Good luck.